Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Apple device to REALME GT Neo 3D. First of all, you need to open Play Store on REALME and App Store on Apple smartphone. Then click on the search bars on both. Type in Send Anywhere and install this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. On REALME, in order to use it, choose I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. In this window, click on Not Now if you wish to, and close it by selecting OK. Then choose Receive at the bottom. Now open your app on Apple. Click on Ask App Not to Track or Allow. Choose Allow access to all photos and tap on wherever you wish to in Notifications pop-up. Now choose one of those options, Yes I agree or No thanks. Click on Close this window and select Not Now. Or just don't click on it and tap on OK. If you see this kind of pop-up, you can click on OK or go with Cancel. Now tap on Send at the bottom left corner of your iPhone. On REALME though, you need to choose one of those options as well and tap on Close this window. Finally, to select all of your files that you wish to send, click on Select in all of those categories. Then choose Send next to Selected. If you want to just tap on the chosen ones, tap on this Select and click on them. Now click on Send as well and pick one of those ways to connect after choosing Got It in the pop-up. From here, you can scan this QR code by tapping on REALME's scanning icon, choosing while using or only this time, and pointing this REALME's camera at the code. You can also input this key over here instead and click on Receive. Either way, after a couple of seconds, my file was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!